Hey guys! Today I want to show you a powerful new tool my team and I recently developed.
Say that I'm on the road, maybe I just lost control. These nights keep on taking toll. Find me out here on my own.
It's the VFX trading bot. Let's walk through how it works and test it live in real time. How to get access to the bot? Super simple. Just send me a message and I'll give you access to the VIP channel. The bot won't work without an active subscription. So this step is essential. Once you're connected along the bot, it will immediately get you with a user-friendly menu. Let's check out what it can do. We'll start with the asset analysis section. First, we choose which market we want to trade in. There are 4 options available. The real market with 50 top currency pairs, the crypto market featuring 12 major coins, the OTC market with 15 pairs you can trade even on weekends, and the stock market, 50 out of biggest companies. Let's begin by testing the bot on the crypto market. I'm selecting Ethereum, setting 1-minute time frame and waiting for the analysis. The bot sent a buy signal, heading over the platform. I go to Pocket option, find Ethereum, open a 1-minute buy trade. Now we wait. The result? Trade closed in profit. We made $850 clean profit from $1,000. Now let's test the turbo mode. I open the quick signals section, set the trade duration to 1 minute and wait. During this minute, the bot will send out random signals across different assets and time frames. I'm not entering trades on this right now since some time frames are too long for this video format. Let's move on. I open the maximum profit section here. The bot shows the top performing assets over the past 24 hours based on all signals sent via Pocket option. I selected USD CHF, set it to 1 minute and wait for the signal. Got the signal to sell. Back to the platform we go. Opening the currency pair section, selecting USD CHF OTC. I enter a 1-minute sell trade for $2,000, waiting for the result. Another win! We just made $1,620 clean profit, all thanks to our bot. To sum it all up, today we tested VFX live, explored all its main features and saw real results. $2,470 clean profit from just 2 trades in few minutes. Here's why this bot is a real game changer. It runs 24/7, sends lightning fast signals, request it and you're ready in 5 seconds. Covers more than just OTC. Now you can access Forex, crypto and stock too. Built-in analytics that shows which pairs are truly profitable. And of course, turbo mode, perfect for those who like it fast and sharp. In short, everything you need to trade comfortably and profitably, without the chaos. Message me directly and I'll help you get access. Talk soon.